number 10. It impacts almost everything Inter Miami does, but still, the points count the same with Messi in the lineup or without, in what is a pivotal night for each of these sides in the MLS playoff chase. The red-hot Alan Pulido starts over the ball for visiting Sporting Kansas City. This is the first ever meeting in MLS between these sides, and with ball, Pulido continues on, track from behind, lays this off, the return from Russell, that's broken up, fine tackle made. Kamal Miller to make the defensive play.
And it's an important...
Russell takes on two defenders, had a third to contend with as well. One back by Sporting Kansas City. And this is Felipe Gutierrez giving it a go. Rebound is loose and buried. It's Daniel Shallowy to give Sporting Kansas City the 1-0 lead on the road. Callender makes the initial stop. Let the rebound there for Shallowy, his 7th goal of the season.
Well, Kansas City have started the game really well, but one thing I will tell you straight away is that Callender, he will be exceptionally...
Pass broken up by Miller, and Denbe will have another go at this, tries to square it, and settle back. Callender. Tommy lays this off. Shoes Farias with a quick turn. Facundo Farias takes this top of the 18, trying to lay it off. Pass broken up. Shallowy. Played back and released by Milia Chaff. Arroyo able to work this into the 18. Campana, contact with the keeper, Milia, and it's a penalty. Ismail Elfats points to the spot, and Inter Miami will have a chance to level. Weeks ago, Carlos Gruezo. Here we go, Campana, we are tied! It is the Ecuadorian 6th goal of the season. We're level at 1. Draw, here comes Jordi Alba, plays this centrally. Farias, first touch, tripped up. This time the referee Alpont lets the contact go. Crowd looking for a second penalty in a matter of minutes. Voltaire works this out wide. Here's Robinson on it for Miami, and a shot blocked away. Little to no margin for error. These teams have reached that. Russell with a shot, mishits that on the service from Pulido.
It's brilliant from Pulido as well. Absolutely magnificent. He's giving Aviles a tough time. You just see it's all about the first touch. Just finds that.
Tear tries to lift that into the 18. He does. Yedlin lays this off. Stefanelli sees that. It's Russell who'll have another go at it. His service played in. Callender couldn't take that cleanly as well. Did get it away, with Shallowy lurking in the danger to it this evening. No Messi, no Josef Martinez either. Dancing into the 18 is Inter Miami. That cleanly as well. Did get it away, with Shallowy lurking in the danger area. Look at the move by Gutierrez, able to whip this ball across. Got through to Callender, makes the save. Dangerous doings in the Miami. On this, Johnny Russell cuts to the center. Shallowy couldn't get a shot away. Got it all wrong. And taken here by Stefanelli instead. Foul is committed behind the play. Miami with the takeaway again. Shot from long range. Sent Milia diving to his left. But it's off frame. It is Farias looking for Miami's 2nd of the night. DeAndre Yedlin dancing at the top of the 18. Wide on Shallowy. Plays this far post and buried home. Oh, can you believe it? Campana, 2nd of the night. Inter Miami storms back to take the lead in South Florida. There's a new Miami sound machine. You're hearing it now. They lead 2-1. Begin and let a big second half begin as well. Campana, the driving force to play this forward. This ball worked across. This is Robbie Robinson. Mishit and plagued by injuries earlier this season. This ball whipped in, the touch by Campana. Oh, going for the hat trick. Flag did go up, but the run Campana gets everyone out of their seat here in South Florida.
Yeah, we're in a great position to see it. Campana just gives the look.
Tear last year, the calf injury this year. Look at the ball by Jordi Alba. Campana sees that. Nelly plays short. This is Farias. Tries to find another gear on Tommy. Whips this ball across. Got by. Here comes Robinson dancing towards the 18. Robinson able to play this across. Melia, the Alba. Plays this in. Stefanelli! Stayed by Melia! Play was stopped as it went off an arm.
It just comes off Stefanelli.
Is taken short by Kansas City. Played for Voltaire. He'll give it a go. Sent Callender diving to his right. That's all.
You just see from the reaction as well.
Russell. Tommy again. Thought about it off the left foot. Continues on. Now the shot blocked away. Gundo Farias. Farias. Top of the 18. Played into space. Oh, he passed on the shot unselfishly as it's rolled out by Melia.
Yeah, and it was great anticipation as well from Melia because he saw exactly what for it. Handball given against Fontas.
Quick restart. It's allowed by Alfon. Here comes Miami. Opportunity here, and it's in! Oh my goodness, it's a 3-1 game. Facundo Farias. Kansas City pressed pause. And Miami now with all the momentum and a 3-1 lead. Such an important cushion. Look at Robinson going. Able to cut this back. Still Robbie Robinson saved by Melia. Now he's on it. Everything but the final finish. What a move. Farias gives here to Campana. Campana into the 18. Takes a deflection. Trying to send this through, and he does. Campana cuts it back. Leo Campana left foot. Not a Robinson in the 18. Able to lay this off. Farias fakes one shot. Second try blocked away. It's an Inter Miami corner. And Farias is doing it all tonight.
Yeah, and he wants a penalty when the ball.
Inter Miami stays with it. Leo Campana drills this ball into the 18. Alvin here for Agata, who's come on. Tries to square that for Polito. Dealt with by Inter Miami. Top of the box, Tommy. This is Polito off the left foot, fires and scores, and we've got game. Alan Polito has pulled Sporting Kansas City within one. His 13th goal of the season and on fire.
Well, it's a brilliant finish from Polito, but Inter Miami, they want an offside against Agata.